Honey, I see you.
You did?
I see your fortune. Ah! Fortune.
No, she sees my fortune. Is there a guy in my fortune?
You are going
Is he the hot guy?
You are going to marry a very hot guy who is always shirtless.
My dream.
But there is one bad thing about this fortune. Hold on, let me think.
Sorry.
It's coming. No, it's okay. No, it's coming on. Okay, you are going to marry a hot man with a good body who is always shirtless. But he has two dimples
On his butt?
on his butt cheeks.
What is the guy? What's his name? What's his name?
Let me think.
Is it a butt?
His name
His name.
His name
Lexi.
Name.
is
Name.
one.
Melvin.
No.
What's who?
It is George. George.
Are you sure?
Henry.
Are you sure? Why? No.
His name
I thought it was Melvin.
George.
George.
Henry. Melvin.
Austin. Yes.
George. Henry. Melvin.
Newberry.
Austin.
What?
And